Pozdrav ljudi, evo nas u drugoj epizodi Dreadnoughta. Ajmo da igramo Dreadnought, uzet ćemo novi brod Dover. Ovo je kao neki lovac. Ima malo helta, ali jako brzo se kreće između ovih velikih brodova. Evo ga jedan support.
All hands to action stations. Prep for combat. Let's run out the guns.
Vidim ih gde su. Samo što ću da idem s ovim mojima da se ne odvajam sam, da uđem u vatru sa njima. Lakše kad neki jači započne fajt i onda ja samo uletim. O! Još jedan dover. Još jedan dover ispred mene. Već ga gađa artiljerija.
Ready to launch.
We've been hit hard. Deploy damage control team.
We've taken the lead, Captain.
Good night.
Pade,
Artillery cruiser destroyed.
pade, artiljerac. Ne! Za malo se slupam.
Captain, we're gaining ground out there.
Aye, Captain. Activating.
Ready to launch.
Evo ga.
We're winning, Captain.
Sada vodimo 20:16.
Ready to launch.
Ship is damaged, Captain.
The ship's
Oh.
falling to pieces. We can't hold it.
Pali smo. Leteli smo u vatru.
We just
Ćemo
took
sad
the
nekog
upper
većeg.
hand.
Lock-on confirmed. Missiles have a lock. Call the shot, Captain. Fire missiles. Torpedo launched. Give us time to reload the torpedo tubes. All the guns fired up. Missiles reloading, Captain. Reloading autogons. Aye. Torpedoes need more time to... Missile silos not yet online, Captain. We've got a lock.
Shield activated. Fusion reactor is overheating, putting energy system offline. Heavy damage across multiple systems, Captain.
Critical systems going.
O, bre, opet. Doni vode. Sad ćemo opet overa.
Ready to launch.
Thrust amplifier, we're getting killed out here. Anti-missile pulse engaged. Pulse countermeasures.
Forward thrusters offline.
System thrust amplifiers depleted.
Enemy warheads locked on our position.
Activated.
Thrusters at max. Thrusters overheated, Captain.
System drained.
Ovo mi baš i nije trebalo da se čupnem ovako.
Ready to launch. You heard the captain.
Negative, Captain. Still in cooldown. Under thrust amplifier is still offline.
Thank you.
Captain, we're gaining ground out there.
Shield activated. We've lost thrust amplification. Maneuvering thrusters. Fusion reactor is overheating, putting energy system offline. We've been hit hard. Damage control teams dispatched.
Enemy missiles incoming, Captain.
Gaži.
We can still win this fight.
Full power to forward thrusters. Forward thrusters offline.
Ready to launch.
Thrust amplifiers not on yet, Captain. Affirmative.
Engines at full burn, Captain. Forward thrusters exhausted, Captain.
Multiple impacts. Damage control teams on station. Shield activated.
Enemy warheads locked on our position.
System drained. Critical system failure across the board, Captain.
Gotovi smo.
Thank you. Captain, we've got a lock. On site.
We've lost this one, Captain. I say we spin up the warp drive and get the hell out of here.